Hi vibes, it is Thais here. So today I want to share my new approach to biohacking my natural hair growth. So I've tried so many routines when it comes to growing out my natural hair over the years, from the length retention routines, taking care of the ends, from the hair care routines, the scalp care, the protective style, low manipulation routine. But I want to incorporate a new approach this year, and that is basically biohacking my hair growth. So biohacking is the use of science-based tools and techniques in our natural daily routine that optimizes our hair growth biology. So what I've learned on this journey of biohacking my natural hair growth is that there are 4 different phases to the hair that it goes through. And a lot of times when we're under stress with high cortisol levels in the body, this causes the hair to have a shorter anagen phase. So it can range between 2 to 7 years depending on your unique biology and gene level. So I was like, oh my goodness, maybe my hair is going through the anagen phase in the 2-year cycle versus going on to 5-7 years, which allows the hair to reach longer lengths. So when you work with your natural biology, your hormones, your nervous system, this allows the hair to remain in the anagen phase much more longer. So these are some of the biohacking things I will be doing to boost my hair growth over the upcoming years. Okay, so one of the tools I will be adding to this journey is the iRestore red light therapy. So I did partner with them, and this is their red light therapy helmet. So you've probably seen all of the red light therapy masks for the face, but red light therapy is also beneficial for the scalp and maximizing hair growth. Red light therapy on the scalp is known to stimulate mitochondria, increase blood flow, support weakened follicles, and reduce inflammation. So these are the results by iRestore during their clinical testing when used over time. So they actually recommend to use this for 3 months to see results. So if you are experiencing any sort of thinning, balding, then red light therapy is a great addition to a biohacking hair growth routine. Using the iRestore helmet is very simple. You just put it on your head, and then you attach the plug adapter, and then you press the on button. When you press the on button, it will automatically start at 12 minutes. This is the recommended time to use it on a daily basis over 3 months to see results. I will leave the link to their website down below where you can learn more about their red light therapy technology for your beauty routines. So the first thing I will be focused on is overall wellness. So this is going to help lower my cortisol levels, help me to not stress as much so that my hair can flourish. So some of the things I will be doing is making sure that I boost my sleep cycle. So sleeping is very important because this is when we experience the most hair growth. So 7 to 8 hours is optimal. 9 hours is even better. So that is something I will be incorporating. I will also be making sure that I get sunrise sun. So go out and let my body absorb sun before 10 a.m. when the sun rays are nice and soft, and it is actually beneficial to absorb. So I will be focused on deeper breathing versus shallow breathing. This allows the body to relax more, reduces cortisol. Also going out and moving, exercising. Low impact specifically. High impact can cause a lot of stress, I learned. So low impact exercises such as walking, yoga, Pilates, light weights, all of this is going to help me stay at lower stress levels for hair growth. So biohacking isn't just external, it is also internal. So internal biohacking is all about maximizing the nutrients that we take in. So some of the key nutrients I will be bumping up on is protein. I recently stopped eating red meat, so I realized that I need to bump up my protein and be more intentional with making sure that I'm actually getting the maximum amount of protein. Also, iron is important too. I have to make sure that I eat more spinach, more dates, more lentils. All of these are rich in iron, so my goal is to be more intentional with that, as well as taking my daily multivitamin, increasing my water intake, making sure that I'm hitting that hydration level. So all of this will help to assist with my biohacking hair growth journey as well. Let's not forget the mechanical side. So when it comes to handling my hair, I'm being more mindful of making sure that I'm fully present. I'm really relaxed, taking those deep breaths on my wash day before I wash my hair. So paying attention to when I'm washing my hair. Actually, cycle syncing my wash day is a biohack as well. You know, washing my hair when I'm very energized versus when I'm low on energy and I don't want to do it, you know, or when I'm in a good mood. That also helps me to be more gentle with my hair, be more patient with it. So for hairstyles, I will be incorporating more low tension hairstyles. Hairstyle that doesn't require me to pull my hair into a tight ponytail or force it into a style. I'm no longer doing those. I'm more into my boring style era where I'm just doing the most simplest style or doing the least with my hair versus doing the most, but making sure that it is super simple. Like these chunky flat twists that I have in my hair now, there's no tension on my scalp. I don't feel like, oh my goodness, I need to go home and take my hair out because my head is hurting. So any style that doesn't cause tension is what I'm going for during this time. I'm also incorporating more scalp massages, particularly hot oil scalp massages. That is very great for the scalp because hot oil makes sure that the scalp follicles can receive those nutrients, but it also helps to stimulate our vagus nerve because it creates a sense of warmth and safety and stimulation that we can feel all down the entire body. So scalp massages is going to be a big thing for me. I actually started scalp massages regularly in the past year, so I'm just going to be continuing that as well and being more consistent and mindful of doing it. Yeah, so these are all of the things I will be doing in my natural hair growth journey moving forward. And I hope that these also help you to look at your hair growth differently, your hair journey differently, beyond just hair care and length retention and hairstyling, but also going deeper into wellness, science, and technology. And don't forget to check out iRestore if you are looking to add red light therapy to your routine this year. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that this video was valuable to you, that it helped you help your hair to flourish in amazing ways. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah.